Enhances driving experience with wireless CarPlay, Android 13 features, smoother connectivity, and smart entertainment integration for modern vehicles. My today's video is about top 5 best Android 13.0 CarPlay box review that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Drees Wireless CarPlay Adapter. This wireless CarPlay and Android Auto box is a powerful upgrade for any modern car with factory wired CarPlay support. It transforms your driving experience by enabling seamless wireless connectivity for navigation, music, calls, and Siri or Google Assistant, removing the need for messy cables. Once paired, it reconnects automatically every time you start your vehicle, ensuring a truly plug-and-play experience. What makes it even more impressive is its multimedia capability. You can enjoy YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, and local media via TF card or USB, delivering a premium in-car entertainment system. The built-in 2.4 GHz Bluetooth and 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi ensure fast, stable, and lag-free performance. Compatible with most cars from 2015 onward and supporting both iOS and Android devices, it offers wide usability. With simple installation and strong stability, this adapter significantly enhances convenience, entertainment, and smart connectivity for everyday driving. Now our second product is ByNe's Android 13 AI box for car. The ByNe's CarPlay AI box is a powerful upgrade designed specifically for cars with OEM wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto systems, transforming them into fully wireless smart infotainment hubs. It is important to note that it does not support factory wireless CarPlay systems, BMW vehicles, or Samsung phones, ensuring users check compatibility before purchase. Once installed, the plug-and-play setup takes just minutes, offering instant wireless connectivity without cable clutter. It enables smooth access to calls, messaging, navigation, and music streaming through either CarPlay or Android Auto, with easy switching between both interfaces depending on your vehicle. Powered by Android 13 with 8 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, the device delivers fast, stable performance for apps, media, and navigation. Its multimedia capabilities allow HD video streaming, music playback, and gaming, making long drives more entertaining. With strong hardware, wide app support, and reliable wireless performance, this AI box significantly enhances convenience, entertainment, and driving comfort. Our third product is AutoCast 2025 Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto Adapter. The AutoCast Wireless CarPlay Adapter is a next-generation upgrade that transforms any factory wired CarPlay or Android Auto system into a fully wireless smart entertainment hub. Before purchase, users must ensure their vehicle supports wired CarPlay/Android Auto with a touchscreen, as compatibility is essential for optimal performance. It supports most smartphones, including iOS 10 Plus, iPhone 6 and later, and Android 11 Plus, covering a wide range of devices. Beyond wireless connectivity, this device stands out with advanced multimedia capabilities. It enables streaming of Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, and Prime Video directly on your car display, turning every journey into a cinematic experience. A stable internet connection via Wi-Fi, hotspot, or SIM card is required for smooth playback. Powered by dual system support, it seamlessly switches between CarPlay and Android Auto, while the split-screen feature enhances multitasking with adjustable viewing ratios. With Qualcomm Bluetooth 5.0, 5 GHz Wi-Fi, photo updates, and expandable storage up to 256 GB, it delivers strong performance, flexibility, and long-term usability. Now number 4. ByNe's CarPlay AI box Android 13 compatible. The ByNe's Android 13 CarPlay AI box is a powerful upgrade designed to modernize in-car infotainment systems, especially for vehicles with factory wired CarPlay or wired Android Auto. It is important to note that it is not compatible with BMW, Nissan Leaf, Murano, or Samsung phones, and some Toyota models may require an additional split power supply line for stable performance. Running on Android 13, This AI box transforms your car display into a smart multimedia hub. By connecting via Wi-Fi or a SIM card, users can access YouTube, Netflix, and other apps through APK installation, bringing full entertainment functionality directly to the dashboard. It effectively converts wired systems into wireless convenience, enhancing driving comfort and usability. The device supports both wired CarPlay and wired Android Auto systems, though TF card-based conversion may be required in some cases. With plug-and-play simplicity, optional remote control support for non-touchscreens, and strong after-sale service, it offers a reliable and flexible infotainment upgrade for everyday driving. And our last choice is largest 11.5-inch wireless CarPlay screen. The 11.5-inch ultra-wide Android CarPlay display is a major upgrade for older and modern vehicles alike, turning any dashboard into a smart infotainment hub. Its 1920 by 720 HD LCD screen delivers sharp visuals and vibrant colors, making navigation, video playback, and music streaming far more engaging than traditional car systems. Powered by Android 15 with a quad-core CPU, 2 GB RAM, and 32 GB storage, it offers smooth performance for apps like YouTube, Netflix, and TikTok via Wi-Fi or hotspot connection. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto ensure seamless phone integration with Siri or voice assistant support for calls, music, and GPS navigation. That a standout feature is its dual-screen multitasking, allowing users to run two apps simultaneously, ideal for entertainment and productivity on the go. The included 1080p waterproof rear camera enhances safety with clear rear visibility in all weather conditions, while MirrorLink expands smartphone connectivity for both Android and iOS. With easy installation, strong compatibility, and flexible voltage support, this system delivers a premium, modern driving experience at excellent value. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.